in this video how you can add background color to your data in Power BI. I have this table here, and in the column of status, I want to add color codes to in progress and delayed. I will simply select it, and in the columns, I will select the status field, and here I will go to conditional formatting and select background color. Now here I can add my rules. So if the value is progress, in progress, the background color should be yellow. I will add a new rule. If it is delayed, then the background color should be red. I will click on OK, and now you can see it has been added. You can do similarly for all of the fields that are in your Power BI report. I hope you enjoyed this and it was pretty clear. Keep watching for more. Thank you.